Here next sum 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 equal to 0. So first we will take product. First term and last term should be multiplied. 3 2s are 6 x square and sign is positive. So looking the sign we will decide there are two possibilities, either plus plus or minus minus. So here in the middle sign sum is negative 2 root 6x. So here middle sign is negative, so we will take negative and negative in this. Now how to decide terms, factors here? So here we should find such type of numbers. By multiplying two numbers we should get product 6, and by if two signs are negative add numbers, is it? So by adding those numbers we should get 2 root 6. Okay, this is little bit different type of sum. If we will take root 6 and root 6, okay, root 6 and root 6, and coefficients will be, or whole number will be 1. Okay, now just try to multiply this. Negative into negative, positive, 1 into 1, roughly I am doing here, 1 into 1 1, into root 6 into root 6, root 6 square. So 1 into root 6 square is 6 itself. Root and square cancels, it remains 6. So answer is 6. So product is 6 here. So we will take such type of numbers. Now if both are negative, according to addition rule, add numbers, right? So how to add these two? If surd is same, that surd comes as it is in the addition, and this will be added. 1 plus 1 2, and this surd is root 6 is same to same, and x, here we will take x. Okay, so here two numbers are 1 root 6x and minus 1 root 6x. So how to take here? This is rough work. 3x square minus 1 root 6x minus 1 root 6x plus 2 equal to 0. Now make the group of two terms. Here instead of 3 we can write root 3 into root 3, is it? So this step is very important, focus on this. Instead of 3 I am writing root 3 into root 3 and x square minus 1. Instead of root 6 I am writing root 3 into root 2 and x, correct? 3 2s are 6. Okay, next negative 1 root 3 into root 2, here also, plus this 2 I am writing root 2 into root 2. I repeat, this 3 whole number I am writing in root form. Root 3 2 times. So root 3 into root 3 square. Square and root cancels, it remains 3. So 3. So instead of 3 written root 3 into root 3 and x square as it is. Minus 1 and root 6 expanded form 2. Root 3 and root 2. 3 2s are 6. X minus, here also root 6 written root 3 into root 2. X is here, plus 2 written as root 2 into root 2 form. Okay, in expanded form written in this step. So here first term and second term, common things we will take outside. Root 3 and root 3 present in both, is it? So we will take out of the bracket. Next, root 3 and root 2 we can't take outside. Now x square and x can be taken out. X is smaller, x square is bigger. So start bracket. Now focus on first term. 1 root 3 outside, another root 3 remains inside. Out of x square, x taken out, one more x remains. Minus, here root 3 taken out, x taken out, what remains? Root 2. 1 we will ignore, no need to write. Next, here also minus. In this root 2 is present in both. Here first term and second term, in both root 2 is common, so root 2 I am taking common. Next remains negative taken out, 1 we will ignore. Root 2 and root 3 and root 2, root 2 taken out, so remains root 3 and x also remains. Next, outside the bracket we have taken negative sign, so it is positive becomes negative inside, and out of 2 root 2, 1 root 2 taken out and one more root 2 remains. Now compare these two. Root 3x minus root 2 same, so this we will take as common, and root 3x root 2 again equal to 0. Here also 0, every step equal to 0. Next, therefore root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0, or root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0. So now root 3x as it is, and negative 2 we will take that side. So x equal to root 2 by root 3. Here also root 3x equal to negative root 2 that side, positive root 2. So x equal to root 2 by root 3. These are the two values of x.